Ifeanyi Chukwu, please unmute yourself, please.
My fellow Biafrans, I greet you all. I greet everybody on this space. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to also speak my mind. So, I just want to say that everything going on, we all are fighting for the freedom of our people. That's one thing I'm happy about. But one thing I'm being concerned about on here, and especially what is happening in the southeast today, is because everything happening now, I think it's more or less of affecting we the Igbos than the other part of the Nigeria. Because coming to the east and everything, me myself, in business, I have a business in the east. I'm also staying in the east. So I'm speaking from my own experience and people around me. Because I've noticed that most people on here don't reside in Nigeria. So I'm thinking maybe there is a way we can push this struggle further. So maybe people like the presidentials will feel the heat of what is happening. So that's one thing I just want to ask about.
And who tell you
Um,
that the presidential are not feeling the heat today? Who tell you they're not
Emma,
feeling the heat? And let me tell
Nduba,
you, it is because the way you have to deal with this particular present issue, you cannot run away from it. Nigeria was designed, structured in a way so that it will be very, very difficult for you to rise up against them. So, first of all, they push you out of the government so that you can struggle by yourself, build road by yourself, build electricity for your community, good water, build water and open, open water for community, give them schools, even start giving scholarship to people in your community. And then why the government control billions? Why the government have the opportunity and the possibility to do those things you are doing with your own sweat? They structured Nigeria. The reason why they did it, because they know you can't stand slavery. They know you can never ever stand slavery. They know that if that is not done, you are going to rise up and liberate yourself from them. So they structured it in a way that you are going to go into business. So everything about you is business. You don't care about government. Now it has metamorphosed to this particular stage where you are now, telling me how you have business, how you own business. It is all about business, business, business. So they have conditioned your mind. And what I'm here to do is to liberate you from that business slavery mentality. And I'm doing it without looking back. If you like, die today, another person is there to live the life of their dream in Biafra land. I don't care what happens to your business, because that is what is used to cage you and enslave you in Nigeria. So I'm here understanding the system very well. I am doing everything to liberate you. If you do not enjoy this freedom, your children will enjoy it. If you don't enjoy this freedom, your grandchildren will enjoy it. If you do not enjoy this particular freedom, people from your family, extended family, will grow to enjoy it. So I'm not fighting for you, my brother. I'm fighting for the future generation of my own children, my own grandchildren, my great-great-grandchildren to come. I am
thank
not that
you,
selfish like I'm
my
not that selfish like you, who will thinking about. You think I'm not living good in Finland? You think that putting my life online and now I cannot go to certain places? You think that I don't like Nkwobi? You think that I don't like to chase all the women you chase in Nigeria? You think I don't like it? I like it, my brother. But I have sacrificed all those nonsense life for your own freedom, for the freedom of your children. And you're here telling me about business. What Nigeria have designed, structured systematically to subjugate you into this slavery that you are. I am going to do everything. If it requires crashing your business, it will crash. And at the end of the day, you are going to rebuild your business back. Well, after the war, how much were given to you? 20 pounds. Did you not survive? Didn't the Igbo not come back to life? We came back to life. Just 60 years. Just 60 years. We have taken over everywhere in Nigeria. So you are going to be ready to sacrifice that thing, that particular luxury you are enjoying. You sacrifice it. Because Nigeria did it so that you can never rise up against them. And that's why some people are worried what is going on. Many Biafrans, business people who have money, they are not supporting. I am not expecting them to support what we are doing. We have done very, very fine. As you can see, we have sophisticated weapon with the small money we are raising. And we are still going far. We are still going further, moving very, very fast. And a lot of them, some people like you are surprised. Do we have arms to fight Nigeria? Some of you, when you ask them question, they don't have problem with liberating Biafra, but they will ask you, do you have arms? Do you have arms to fight Nigeria? Do you have a helicopter? Where is your armor tank? Where is your fighter jet? Where is your warship? We don't need all those things to fight Nigeria. We are fighting them today and defeating them. Are you not seeing it? They will come, they will die. The worst part of this war, or the most interesting part of this war, is that we see them and they don't see us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Prime Minister. Even all of us, me myself, I'm personally happy and I'm fully in support of the struggle we are in. But my only concern is that it is affecting us
Like I
more
said,
than Nigeria.
it is going to affect you till Biafra come. And let me tell you, if you think it is affecting you now, you have not started. Just pack your bag and leave Southeast, leave Biafra land. Go to North, where it will not affect you. After Biafra has been declared and defended, you can come back if you make it alive. Thank you.
Thank you so much.